Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 57th episode of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Siliguri alumnus of 2016 batch. Siliguri, Incubation Centre Inaugurated. Startup and Incubation Seminar held. Al-Mazareen of Mathematics 6th semester reports.
24th May 2022, the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Salesian College, Siliguri, inaugurated Incubation Centre. The inauguration ceremony consisted of lighting of the lamp by Campus Coordinator Mr. Anirban Ghosh, guest speaker Mr. Sumit Sinhal, former Director of Entrepreneurship Development Cell Mr. Sandeep Agarwal and current Director Mr. Aman Goyal, and cutting of the ribbon. It was followed by Zenith, a seminar on the topic of startup and incubation, which was attended by the students from various departments. The guest speaker for the event was Mr. Sumit Sinhal, founder of KINS Healthcare, a multidisciplinary healthcare delivery group focusing on hospital diagnostics, super specialty diabetes care and home health care. The EDC animator, Assistant Professor Chandan Gupta, gave the vote of thanks and presented a memento to the speaker.
Siliguri, lecture on career options in Civil Service Enthralls students. Sauravi Thakuri of Mass Communication 6th semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri organized a lecture on career options under the Union Public Service Commission on 23rd May 2022. The resource person for the event was the former chairman of the UPSC India, academician, author and historian, Professor Dr. David R. Seamley of Shillong. Professor David gave a thorough insight on all the fields of UPSC like the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Forest Service, Combined Defence Service and various other services. The session was an interactive one and the students were able to clear their doubts.
Sonada, Ethnic Day held. Shreyasi Saha of Mass Communication 4th semester reports.
Salesian College Sonada faculty along with Student Council organized the Ethnic Day in which students wore their traditional outfits and organized games and food stall. The program began in the auditorium with welcome dance by students followed by speech by Rector of Salesian College Sonada, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine. Students in ethnic outfits had a ramp walk before they went to the food and game stalls.
Siliguri, 5 Tata Memorial Workshop on case analysis held. 14 teams participate. Aditi Agrawal of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri organized 5th Tata Memorial Workshop and interactive analytical session focused on the participants' insights into the process of real-life case solving. The aim of the workshop was to bring together different skills, knowledge, theoretical prospects and managerial outlook of participants belonging to different institutions. 14 teams from 5 colleges participated, namely Indian Institute of Legal Studies College, Siliguri, Kalimpong College, Centre for Innovative Studies College, Siliguri, IIAS School of Management, Siliguri and Salesian College, Siliguri. Some of the case study topics were overcoming absenteeism at Unique Sweets Limited, Amul, Kellogg's Company, Ford Resurrecting, an Ironic Company, Byju's, Ecological Survey of India, and Fresh Produce Supply Chain in India, Ninja Cart. While the third position was awarded to Salesian College, Siliguri, the second position went to Indian Institute of Legal Studies College, Siliguri, and the Centre for Innovation Studies College, Siliguri, grabbed the first position.
Siliguri, Elite Talks 2nd episode has 8 speakers. Ishika Sa of Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Department of English in collaboration with Department of Mass Communication organized the second session of Elite Talk 2020 on 25th May. The judges for the event were Assistant Professor Dr. Hindol Chakrabarti and Assistant Professor Gunjan Agarwal. Vedika Sharma was the host for the event. The 8 topics presented includes Believing in Ourselves by Aditya Singh Tamang of Geography,
Hope by Lakshya Chetri of Mass Communication Department, My NCC Journey by Anu Sharma of BA Program, Environment by Amelia Lepcha of Social Work, Do What You Like by Rana Khirtekar of Education, Consequences of War by Sahil Das of Mass Communication, Guns Don't Kill People But Human Do by Khushi Subba of Geography Department, and Difference by Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication. Certificates were given to all the participants, and Rana Khirtekar from Education Department got the Best Speaker Award.
And here's our photo of the week. Salesian College Siliguri Alumni Office Bearers elected on 21st of May 2022. President Siddharth Agrawal, Vice President Marsum Lepcha, Secretary Subham Agrawal, Joint Secretary Nikhil Sarkar, and Treasurer Parveen Teterwal. This show is brought to you by Siliguri Alumnus 2016 batch. Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.